So this is Chica. She is 13 years old, and she's been working on a lot of stopping and backing up lately. So she is tight in her hind end. So we are going to be working the 29, 30, 31, 34, and 38 of her hind here on the, I believe it's the gallbladder. So we're going to be doing this. We're going to be using just the LED TINS light. And so we are going to start right here. And then over to 30. She's just relaxing. You enjoying that, Mom? Oh, yeah. You're okay, Mom. Down here to her stifle area. For number 31. Oh, I'm sorry. That is number 34 in her stifle. 31 is above it. Right in this area. She's really tight in her hocks and her back. We're going to come over here to the front of her leg. I believe it's about right there. And do number 38. Whoa, Mom. Good girl. We're going to go ahead and start on her other side also. And we're going to go ahead and move down to 30. Again, this is on her gallstone line. She's tight in her hocks and her stifle. She's been doing a lot of back work. Oh, Mom. Whoa. I'm picking up that leg, relaxing. Feeling good, minus the fly that's bugging her. We're going to go down to 31. 34. And then on down to back to 34 here. And then we'll go on down to 38. Help with those hocks. And we have done both sides in 30 seconds to a minute on each point. And that was 29, 30, 31, 34, and 38 on the gallstone